Hi, in this video, I will show you how to clean and repaste the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 7. If your laptop constantly overheats and loses performance, you should watch the video. First, turn the laptop upside down. Then, after selecting the appropriate bit head, the use of anti-static capers is recommended. Unscrew the screws. Then, with the help of a plastic card, we start to snap off the bottom of the laptop. When we get around, the bottom panel can be removed. Disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Remove the display cable, the protective sticker, and pull it off the motherboard. Remove the wire from its outlet. And then remove the adhesive protecting the fan connector. Unscrew the screws holding the fans. The smaller fan can then be removed. Unscrew the screws of the heat dissipating system. Then remove it. After unscrewing the last screw, the larger fan can also be removed. Clean the fan blades with a brush. After eating, blow the dust out of them with compressed air or a compressor. Let's also clean the cooling fins. Remove the cooling paste from the heat conduction system. Isopropyl alcohol can also be used for this. Be careful not to knock down any of the heat conducting pads. After that, clean the surface of the video card and the processor. After that, we can put the bigger fan back. Put a small amount of cooling paste on the processor and the video card. Install the heat dissipation system. Screw in the screws in the order of the indicated numbers. If we are satisfied with this, the fans can be attached. After this, we can also apply the protective stickers. The laptop speakers can be easily removed and cleaned with a brush. Be careful not to damage the membrane. Accumulated dust in the middle part can also be blown out. Finally, reconnect the battery and install the bottom panel. Let's make sure that every patent clicks. Now we can screw the lower panel back on. As you can see, the temperature has visibly improved. The performance increase is even more noticeable. The processor reaches this temperature at 45 watts instead of 30 watts. This completes the cleaning of the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 7.